Okay, y'all, back down in Piney Creek, and we got weather moving in. It's majorly a pre-front day. Got about 4 hours before a big storm front coming out of the south is going to hit us. I fished here about a week ago, absolutely destroyed them. Had an epic camera fail, but y'all hear more about that at another time. What we got 20 mile an hour sustained winds. A Yozuri jerk bait on a 6-foot light action rod, 6-pound test. And let's see if we can't get some of these browns and smallies to do what they're supposed to right here real quick. "20 mile an hour sustained winds. There's one. I don't know what it is. It could be any number of things. I think it's a brown trout. Finally. No, it's a little smallie. Mr. Smallie. See here, y'all. Look at that fish. And look at that jerkbait in its mouth. It's absolutely crazy. And he hammered it. Now that's a pretty micro smallie right there. That's a proper micro smallie right there. Let's turn him loose. Thank you, little buddy. That saved me from being skunked today. Gone. Oh. Like making them long casts, catching these little fish. But I tell you guys, there's some big brown trout in this. There's one. He was down there in the bottom of the hole. Say it's another smallmouth. It is. Look at that. Smallmouth, that big jerkbait hanging in his face. It's what I love about them. That's what I love about them. So you eat it too. That's what I love about these little things. They'll get big one day. Look how healthy. Beautiful fish. Let's go back. Thank you, buddy. Out of here. Caught that one deep down in that whole water too. Way downtown. It might be laying, get up on these rocks. Sometimes you can get up on the rocks. I always like to, and it keeps my line up out of the current, and I can get more, really get my line down deeper and get your little, there's one. That's a good one there. That's a better fish there. Stay down. Stay down. See, I jumped up on this rock, switched angles. Switched angles. Sometimes that's all it takes. That's a decent fish there, y'all. That's a decent fish there. Look here. There we go. Now that's a proper micro smallie. That's a proper micro smallie there. Hold still. Look how dark. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Appreciate that, bud. I really do. Good deal. All right, that one actually bit. He was suspended closer to me right here. Okay, y'all. Took a quick break there for a second. Switched over to the Johnson Splinter up on these rocks. So I can get a couple more smallies so I can catch brown. One thing about these fish, you're going to get an opportunity within the first few casts to catch one, whether it be a trout. Oh, there's one. I don't know what it is. That's the thing about this place. It'll liable to be one of them browns. I think it's a nice little smallie. It is. It's a smallmouth. Look there, a proper little micro. Yeah. Oh, come here, buddy. Oh, come here. I don't want you to hurt yourself, man. There you go. Sorry about that. Beautiful. Y'all, it's getting tough. Hey, looky here. I don't know if y'all can see that. There is a popper of some kind, which I'll take. Somebody has throwed from the other side to here and lost it. Look here. Yeah, it ain't been there long. You know, probably last year. And of course, they don't know how to tie a knot, so as you can see, they don't know how to tie a knot. But I'll take it. That lure right there, catch fish. Take it home, clean it up, take old lady's fingernail polish, paint it back up, put 2 new hooks on it, good to go. Okay, y'all, I come up through here in spot number 6 or 7, and like I never got the camera on here. It's starting to rain, but finally, we got a brown. Finally, didn't get the hook set, but we got the fish. Finally. He followed it 3 or 4 foot and swarped at it, and then swarped at it again, and then swarped at it again. Okay, y'all, I'm not gonna mess with him long. It's a pretty little brown. Let's turn him loose. Gone. All right, finally. Got us a brown. I've seen them jumping. There's one. Come off there. Come off there. Oh, that's a good one too. Where you going? That's a trout. Come here. Man, this clear water, you can really see them follow it. You can really see them follow it, man. It's cloudy. I got my polarized glasses on. Man, it's beautiful, beautiful. He about hung me up. He about hung me up. Oh yeah, nice. Pretty much native brown. Pretty much native brown right there. Oh yes. Very nice. Oh, he hammered. I watched him come and hit it. That's the great part about it, man. This clear water. Man, it's awesome. I mean, it is. I love it. Ain't nothing like watching them fish come and get these. Okay, I'm gonna Put him back, his mouth's starting to bleed. See what goes on here. Yeah, he's gone. Look here, what a beautiful little hole of water. I don't know what if it's water on the camera or not. I'm just gonna keep going. I got a good feeling that something's gonna happen here. I really do. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God. That's 3 times that fish come up out there, swarped at this spoon. Oh goodness. He looks like a good one too. Man, oh man, oh man. He swarped at it again. Gee whiz, he's a big one too. Big old brown. Probably 16 inches long. Get in here, see if I can't. Oh Lord, the angles, man. You miscast one time and you're out of the strike zone. I mean, let's see if I can't drop it deeper and let him get a hook. There he is. Oh, he got it. He got it. He got it. I don't know if that's the same one or not, but that's, oh, I hope my video camera's recording. Yeah, I hope my video camera's recording. Get this footage. Oh my goodness. ATH. ATH. Look at these beautiful little browns. Look at these. Beautiful little browns. Care what a pretty fish. Let's get them back in. There's one. That's a bass, I believe. Yeah, it's a little smallie. So glad to see him, little bass in here like that, man. So glad to see him in here like that. Because one day that'll get big. Yeah, it'll get big one day. Okay. Y'all, I just had to show you the way this brown right here looks. It is absolutely beautiful. Easy, little buddy. I'm gonna turn you back. Look how pretty. Look how pretty this fish is. It's absolutely amazing at the colors. The colors on these fish. Look at that.